I'm Stavros Manolagas. I'm the director of the Division of Endocrinology here at UMS, and also the director of an Osteoporosis and Metabolic Bone Disease Center, which is where this video is taking place in one of the laboratories. This center was established almost 17 years ago by the leadership of the institution and with our arrival, and has grown up to be one of the most prestigious research operations, I believe, in the country and probably the world in the area of osteoporosis. And let me take a minute to tell you what osteoporosis is. Osteoporosis is one of the most common diseases of bone, and actually one of the most common metabolic diseases that are associated with the process of aging. Right now, there are about 10 million people with osteoporosis in this country, and it is expected within the next 10-20 years to reach as many as 40 million people. Practically, 1 in 2 women over the age of 55 and 1 out of 4 men are going to suffer a fracture. In 2005, that resulted in over 300,000 admissions to hospitals, and in 1 out of 3 cases, a fracture, especially in the elderly, results to either permanent immobilization and infirmity or death. So this is a serious disease and a serious problem. And what we have put here is a research operation that is designed and put together for the purpose of understanding the nitty-gritties of osteoporosis, the cellular and molecular mechanism that cause the disease, and getting this understanding, hopefully develop better and newer therapies that more effectively treat and probably prevent the development of these diseases. Over the years, we have gathered in this center experts from all over the country and the world, actually, and we put them together in a very, very interactive and synergistic way in this wonderful facility to understand why osteoporosis happens, who are the people more susceptible, and as I said a minute ago, how to improve its treatment. So there are many, many breakthroughs over the years. I don't have time to go into detail, but the fundamental contribution of the center to the world community is the explanation of how women at menopause develop osteoporosis, which is one of the primary groups, and how elderly, both women and men, get osteoporosis. So we have found some answers to why, as you grow older, your bone becomes thinner and break easier. In addition, we have made major contributions in explaining how steroids that they are used for asthma, for transplantation, for all kinds of rheumatoid arthritis diseases have a major side effect, that is to make, again, bones very, very weak and develop osteoporosis. So these are 3 areas that we have been contributing, I think, very importantly to the world literature. And in the last 4 or 5 years, we have gone now a step further, and we have obtained some very exciting new insight into how aging itself can cause osteoporosis, both in women and men. And what is fascinating now in these latest discoveries is the realization that the same mechanisms that cause other diseases of old age, for example, Alzheimer's or hyperlipidemia, the high cholesterol issues, heart diseases, and osteoporosis might be caused by very, very similar mechanisms. This is very, very exciting because it has the potential to develop therapies that for the first time will affect more than one disease at a time. This is a very revolutionary concept now, and with our help from the bone field and the help of people working in the Alzheimer's field or the heart failure field, neurodegeneration diseases, of the brain, like mental defects as you grow older, they might be caused by the same mechanisms. And we have now some preliminary evidence to suggest that a new class of drugs that can slow the aging process simultaneously can prevent the development of more than one diseases: neurodegeneration, Alzheimer's, and osteoporosis, and perhaps heart diseases and osteoporosis. Again, this is very, very revolutionary and very unique, and we are very, very excited. Over the years, we have been very fortunate to receive support from the National Institute of Health, the Aging Institute, the National Institute of Kidney and Digestive Diseases, and we had a tremendous success in getting the support to the tune of over $56 million in the last 16 years. So we are very fortunate to have at UMS this facility, to have a group of highly specialized experts working in this area, and we're looking forward in the future, to have even more important breakthroughs.